Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jivan from Computer Science Department. Here are the teammates. Today's presentation is about vehicle garage management system. Let's dive into the problem statement.
Uh,
Um,
as a slide
as a slide
displays, here is the
displays, here
problem
is the problem
statement.
statement.
In
In the
many
in many
garages today,
garages today,
operations are still
operations are
manually
still
handled.
manually
Right
handled,
from
right
booking
from
to billing,
booking to billing.
there is no way
There is
for a
no way for
customers
a
to see
customers to
service
see
progress in
service
a real
progress in
time.
a real
Mechanics
time.
update
Mechanics
work
update
using
work
a
using
paper.
a paper.
Inventory is tracked
Inventory is
manually,
tracked
and
manually,
spare
and
parts
spare
often
parts
run out
often run out
without a proper
without a
alerting.
proper
Because
alerting.
of this,
Because of
delays
this, delays
happen, billing
happen,
takes
billing
longer,
takes
and
longer,
customers
and
have to
customer
wait.
have to wait.
This gap is
This gap is
automation,
automation,
core problem
core
of
problem
our
of our
system aims to
system
solve.
aims to solve.
And here is a
And here is
project
a project
objective.
objective.
The main
The
objective
main
of
objective
our
of our
VGSMS
VGSMS is
complete digital
complete digital
automation. Users,
automation.
users should
Users
be
should
able to
be
book
able to book
services easily.
services easily.
Mechanics should not
Mechanics
get
should not
assigned
get assigned
automatically, and
automatically,
update
and update
should be
should
visible
be
live.
visible live.
Our system
Our
also
system
maintains
also maintains
inventory so that
inventory
the
so
low
that the low
stock gets
stock
flagged
gets
early.
flagged early.
So we ensure
So
quick
ensure quick
billing and
billing
support
and support
digital
digital
payments. The
payments.
big
The
goal
big
is
goal is
smoother
smoother
workflow and
workflow and
less manual
less
work and
manual work and
fast
fast
delivery.
delivery. Next slide, Abhay.
Nandana or
Scope of
VGMS.
VGMS.
The scope
The
defines
scope
what
defines what
activities and the
activities
features
and the
of our
features of
system
our
support.
system support.
Customer can book
Customer can book
services, track
services,
jobs,
track
and pay
jobs, and
online.
pay online.
Mechanics don't
Mechanics
need to
don't
handle
need
a
to
paper
handle a
job
paper job
cards.
cards.
They update
They
directly
update
to
directly
the
to
system.
the
Admins
system.
can
Admins
monitor
can monitor
inventory and
inventory and
generate reports.
generate
Every
reports. Every
service now has
service
a
now
digital
has a
record,
digital record,
making history
making history
tracking easy.
tracking
This
easy. This
describes
describe
exactly what our
exactly what
system
our
is
system
meant to
is
do.
meant to do.
Further part will be
Further part will
continued
be
by
continued by
Saujanya.
Saujanya.
I'll be telling about system architecture. The system architecture mainly contains three layers: the presentation layer, the business logic layer, and the data layer. The presentation layer holds UI, dashboard, forms, etc. The business logic layer holds bookings, mechanic assignment, billing logic. All the logic is handled in this layer, and all the data part, database part is held in data layer, where MySQL for database is used for persistent storage. Separation of responsibilities, easy maintenance, secure and scalable. The system uses a standard three-tier architecture. The presentation layer is what user interacts with: screens, dashboards, UI. The business logic layer decides how bookings work, how mechanics are assigned, billing rules, etc. The data layer stores everything permanently in MySQL. Because layers are separate, any part can be upgraded without affecting others. This improves security, performance, maintainability, and scalability. Next slide. Use case overview, actors and actions. The use case model shows who interacts with the system and what they do. Our system mainly has four actors: customer, mechanic, admin, and payment gateway. The customer books service and tracks progress. Mechanic updates job cards and requests spare parts. Admin oversees inventory and billing, while the payment gateway handles secure online payment. This model defines system functionality clearly. Next slide. This slide shows the sequence flow, how the sequence flows in the system. This slide shows the service booking process step by step. The customer logs in, selects a service, the system checks which mechanic is free and then assigns one automatically. After booking, a job card is created and the customer gets a confirmation alert. This sequence ensures fast workflow and reduces manual coordination. Further part will be continued by Sujan.
I am Sujan. This is the flow of complete garage activity. A customer book a service, system checks availability. If a mechanic is available, assignment happens immediately. If not, customer sees expected waiting time as the mechanic updates work. Inventory updates automatically. Once the job is done, invoice is generated, payment is made, and receipt is issued. This shows the end-to-end workflow clearly. Coming to the data flow diagram summary, The data flow diagram helps us visualize how information moves inside the system. The level 0 context diagram highlights system and actors. Level 1 breaks it into the models, bookings, jobs, inventory, billings. It shows that every process interacts with database and flows through the system clearly. The visual demonstrates internal operations effectively. This was my part. Further will be continued by Tejaswini.
I'm Tejaswini. Let me explain about the database modules. Our system uses a modular database structure to ensure clarity, speed, and easy data retrieval. The customer database keeps all the user and vehicle information. The booking and job card database stores all service bookings, assigned mechanics, and real time job updates. The mechanic database maintains skill sets, job capacity, and availability. The inventory database tracks all spare parts and sends alerts when the stock gets low. Finally, the billing and payment database handles invoices, past transactions, and payment confirmations. This separation of modules ensures secure, efficient, and well organized data management. The next slide, we have implementation. The implementation uses modern and scalable technologies. Our front end is built using React.js with Tailwind CSS, giving a fast, responsive UI. The backend uses Flask or Node.js, which handles booking logic, mechanic assignment, and service updates. All data is stored securely in a MySQL database. During service updates, the system automatically reduces spare parts inventory, ensuring accurate stock levels. Once a job is completed, invoice generation happens instantly, and the customer can pay online. This tech stack ensures our system is fast, maintainable, and highly efficient. The next part will be continued by Vinay.
Myself, Yuvam Vinay. I am here to present the testing strategies. We applied multiple testing techniques. Unit testing validates the small component. Integration testing verifies the model connection. System testing checks the end-to-end flow. Performance test the ensures system can handle the multiple users. And security test presents vulnerabilities. Finally, UTA ensures us the real users are satisfied with experience. Next, our key outcomes. Our final outcome is fully digital garage management system. Customers gets the updates instantly. Mechanics works more efficiently and admins manage stocks and billings easily. Online payments makes checkouts fast. The system reduces the manual effects and enhance the customer satisfaction. And the result is a smarter and faster and fully organized garage. Thank you.
Hi.
No, torso.
The structure of our website. This is the index.html. Here we have Tailwind CSS for styling. I'll show the website. This is the website as we all described it. There are three main portals: customer portal, mechanic portal, and the admin portal. When a customer logs in, he can book a service. He can choose his vehicle, then choose the service type. There we have mentioned so many. We'll add some more. uh, the customer adds the preferred date and the preferred time. Then if he wants to describe anything, some specifications, then he can do that, and confirm the booking instantly after booking is confirmed. He receives a notification, then it is added in the list. The next portal is the mechanic portal, where the customer can request the spare parts if the stock is low, the spare part that is required, and the stock that is required. Here we can see that the spare part is requested. The customer can also choose to start the mechanic can also choose to start the work. Then the system shows the notification that the work has been started. At last, there is a admin portal where the admin handles manage inventory, manage bookings, and also bills and invoices. In manage inventory, the admin can restock the requested spare parts by adding how many spare parts that has to be added. The list of spare parts that are requested by the mechanic can be seen in the list by the admin. The admin can check all the bookings and check the payment status also. The admin can also assign the mechanic based on their workload. He or she can change the workload for the mechanic. The admin can confirm the bookings by checking the invoices. Here it is showing paid, and he can also mark it as paid. Then the invoice, shows that it is paid. The booking confirmation is showed. This is all about the website, which has all the activity, use case, everything. Thank you.